Alright, new game here at River Rock, Eureka Treasure Train. My friend Jericho Slots told me about this game, so I gotta give it a try. Let's see, here's our bets on pennies. Just $6. Start with 60 cents. Hope to get a bonus, see what this game's about. And if you aren't subscribed to my friend Jericho Slots, make sure you check him out. He's got a lot of great videos. Not sure. I guess we need 6 dynamites like on the original. Hopefully we can get that. See what the bonus is like. Come on, one more. Shoot. Eureka. You know what, let's go to 2 cent. $1.20 minimum bets. Come on. What was that? Okay. At least the line hits are still good on this. I'm like huffing more puff. These line hits are so bad. What are those? That must be the treasure train part. Ooh, that looks fun. Oh my gosh. I think I like this game. Come on, dynamite. 2 more. Oh my goodness. See if this is any different than the original Eureka. I think it's a bonus. It's not doing anything. Hello? Oh, there we go. Ooh, okay. So now we get a choice. Dynamite. Let's see the feature. Extra things over there. Let me go, let's pull in. but it's too sad, so spin. Oh, there's that one. Beautiful gold dynamite. Come on. And right next to it is this Locket Link Riches. Must be something similar, just a different theme. Let's see, what are the bets on 5 cents? Okay, $1.50 minimum. It has dollar denomination. $6 up to 30. Let's try some nickels. $1.50 spins. That's not too bad. That's actually pretty low. Bum, bum, bum. Come on. Ooh, I want that gold one. Yeah, oh my god, I got it. Oh my goodness. This, oh my god. Wow, okay. Zoom back a little bit. Wow. Oh my god, this is really cool. Okay, I see the potential in this game now. Come on. This one right there. Last spin. Come on, do it. Yeah, oh my god. And listen. Oh, the grand's available. Up to 66. Wow. This game is very exciting. Oh my god. Okay, let's win that grand. Yeah, right. Remember, these are nickels. Just wanted to say grand. Come on, grand. Grand. Anytime now, I'm gonna say grand. Grand. Oh, got a mini for $50. Oh my god. 120 something. Is that it? Or oh no, we still got the other one. Okay. Bring me the minor. And minor. So we went all that? Oh my gosh. However much that is at nickels, let's see. I just love the graphics on this game. I could keep going. Now they should stop a winner. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. $2.90. Let's keep going. Yeah, one of these times.
It was terrific. I won $11,645
Really?
twice in 1 year.
Wow.
It blew my mind. I couldn't believe I caught all the coins in the lightning game.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a fun one.
Yeah. It was the first time my husband had ever played next to me, on the machines. Because he wasn't a real machine player. But oh my gosh, I go, babe, didn't I just win? And he looked at me and he turned white as a ghost.
All right. Let's pick the spins this time, I guess, just to see them. Oops. Oh, come on. I wonder what it does when you have one with a double and the other gold. You have more than two. I'd like to find out. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Come on, dynamites. Oh. There we go. I love this game. It's my first time playing it. Yeah. Come on, fill it in. Two more. Come on. Come on, Major. Major, come on. Come on, Major. Major. Come on, Major. That's a good one, 20. Right. 70 more just on that. Look at that. 161. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that was the last one. My bad. Oh, I'm recording.
I was wondering if you would put it online.
Yeah, YouTube.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh my gosh, one more.
Daughter
Oh,
calls me when she's been too.
oh yeah.
Yeah, and then we get to share that. Sorry, I just got a bunch of nuts in my teeth.
Oh, that's okay.
That too.
try 10 cent. $3. What the hell? We're winning. But yeah, we'll stop at 400. Nice big winner. Come on. 2 more. Could do it. Last game. Okay. Thank you, Eureka Treasure Train. That was fun. I'll definitely be playing that again.